disaster management. In that next point, remedial and preventive measures. Let us see what precautions we can take before or in the event of a natural or man-made disaster. There are some precautions are given. First, keep watching TV and radio news and bulletins. Means you watch the news, then you will get the information about the natural or man-made disaster. Second, use battery operated radios and mobiles. Next, heed a warning issued by the meteorological department carefully. Meteorological department are giving instruction. Listen that instructions and follow carefully. Use the website www.imd.gov.in. If we go in that website, you will get the information about the disaster, man-made, otherwise natural disaster. Landslides occur in hilly areas due to a cloudburst or heavy rains. On such occasions, do not take shelters at the foot of a hill. When heavy rain comes or cloud burst, that time sand will be fall down. That's why you do not take the shelters at the foot of the hill. During floods, do not linger in houses or area in river banks. Seek shelter in other safe places. Move to safe places at a greater height. Do not step into the water currents or drive a vehicle into them. When flood is there, you do not drive and do not go in that area. You shift in a safe area. During a earthquake, road split open, the ground cracks, railway tracks get uprooted. Hence, when moving from one place to other, ensure that the road is safe further on. When you are traveling, you first check your road is safe or not. Take shelter in relief camps as they provide medicines, food packets, drinking water, first aid, etc. Get the protection from fire. Use fire extinguishers in public places like school, hospitals, railway stations, etc. Now see remedial and prevent measures. Here camp is there. When earthquake is coming at that time, the boy is take shelter under a table. First aid means uh, immediately first aid means immediate in day-to-day life. Sometimes we have faced disasters or accident of varying proportions. On such occasions, it is necessary to give some immediate aid even before medical treatment becomes available. Means before taking medical treatment, some immediate aids are provided. That aids are called as first aid. External bleeding. If a person is bleeding, first make him sit or lie down comfortably. Keep the bleeding part of the body above the level of the heart and clean it with the water. Second, burns and cells minor burns. The injured part should be washed with a water or held under a water. Give the victim water to drink. Clean the wounds using a cotton swab soaked in an antiseptic solution. You just take a clean cotton swab, means a cotton ball, and soak in a antiseptic solution, means in a Dettol, and then apply on a burn part. Do not apply oily ointments. Cover wound using a dry dressing. Use a dry dressing. Serious burns. Give emotional support. Cover the wounds with sterile cloth. Remove jewelry, shoes, etc. if easily possible. Do not touch or brush the blisters on the skin. Blister means ford. Do not apply oily ointments. Do not try to remove the cloths if it sticks on a burn skin. When burn is there, the some cloths are stick to skin. If the cloth is stick to burning part, do not remove that cloth. If the patient is conscious, give a water to drink, but avoid tea or coffee or another stimulating drinks. Get medical aid at once. Next, sunstroke. Mostly sunstroke is happen in a summer, because uh, when we are going outside uh, for a long time in summer days, we will get a sunstroke. When we work in a sun continuously for a long time, the body loses a lot of water and minerals. That is the reason of sunstroke. Remedial measures: take the patient to a cool place or in a shade. Sponge the whole body with a cold water, means clean the body with a cold water. Place a cloth soaked in a cold water on a neck. Give plenty of water or liquid like sherbet to drink. If the patient feels like vomiting, make him lie prone, that is on his her abdomen, with the head turned to one side, means you just leave that person like this. Get medical help or shift the patient to a hospital. If there is a very serious matter, then you can shift the patient to a hospital. Next, snake bite. There are nearly 2000 species of snake. If there are only few like cobra, vipers and sea snakes are poisonous. Therefore, all snakes are not fatal. However, fear causes severe physiological shocks which can result in death. If we come across a snake, contact a Sarpamitra rather than killing the snake at once. If you saw the snake, don't kill the snake. You just call to Sarpamitra. They will catch the snake and they will uh, and and they will leave that snake to a safe place in a forest. Remedial measures: wash the wound with water, give emotional support to a patient, tie a cloth tightly above the wound. See, if snake is bite here, you just tie a cloth tightly above above the wound. Wound is here. You just tie the cloth above, means tie the cloth above the wound. Get immediate medical help. Dog bite. In a dog bite, there is a risk of infection through the blood. Hence, first aid and medical help are necessary. Medical remedial measures: wash the wound with a solution of potassium permanganate or other antiseptic. Cover the wound with a clean and dry cloth. Always use clean and dry cloth to cover a wound. Do not use a wet cloth. Get a doctor's help and an injection of anti-rabies vaccines. Doctor will give the injection of anti-rabies vaccines. What we have learned: a sudden calamity is known as disaster. Disaster can be man-made or natural. Alternates and immediate action is necessary on such occasions. Alertness and immediate action is necessary on such occasions. Alertness means you can alert immediately. Effective disaster management and use of remedial measures can help reduce the losses. Means effective disaster management is there. Our loss, we can remedial measures can help to reduce our losses. Our loss will be reduces. Every person should know about safety precautions of first aid. Every person know the safety precaution of first aid.